as per usual, which is par for the course. During nighttime hours, I sleep in this dark room. When the early morning hits, at the crack of dawn, right before sunrise, I have to turn on the light. Yes, like God said, let there be light. And then I have to focus on the air conditioner there. That's where all the focus must go, because the room is nice and cool. Having an air conditioner is really important during these hot summer months. And then I have to come right over here and focus on the control dial. As I explained in the previous video. I'll turn this off. Why am I turning it off? Because I will not be in this room in the morning time. Because I will go downstairs, eat my breakfast, and watch the news. This is per usual for me. That's right. Every morning, I come and turn off this air conditioner and head downstairs for breakfast.